I'll use the military truck to hit it. And I'll hit this too. Fuck the bullshit. This is tight. I'll be right back.
You're about to tear it all to hell.
It'll be alright.
Yeah, just got restored.
He'll fix it back.
I'm gonna do it. Military truck, son. So, fire. Alright, time for the barn.
Hey, you know what?
Hey, Mom. I'm just having fun with this car. I lied. Oh yeah, true.
Shit, that's already done.
It was damaged? Oh hell yeah, it did. Sorry, Mom. I was just wanting to have fun. I didn't think it was 1 o'clock in the morning. You know what I'm saying? That's fucking dope. I wonder if the door open. Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't make cars. Look at the Ford though. Didn't nothing happen to it. We gotta do this tomorrow and beat up the rest of it. Fuck it all up.
I hear that the CD axle is leaking like.
Well, I don't think the 4-wheel drive shaft is kicking in.